Depositional plains. Now they are formed due to deposition of materials which have been carried or which have been transported due to various agents of transportation. Rivers, winds, marine
Please
depositions,
like,
they are the
share, and
categories.
subscribe
So,
to
river
Deposition.
deposition, generally referred as one of the most widespread, alluvial plains. They create those alluvial plains, and India has a fantastic example of northern plains, and we have references of flood plains like Mississippi in USA. We have deltaic plains in Egypt and India. Now, the Piedmont plateaus at the foothills of these mountains, we have Piedmont alluvial plains also. Now, the references of floodplains, the way they are referred as alluvial plains also, we have them around Indian Ganges, the Ganga river, the Ganges, the Mekong, the Salween. Now, these are referred as granaries of the world, and this is because of their capacity of supporting agriculture. Now, in India, the way we understand our own floodplains, the Khadar plains, that is new deposition made every year, and the Bhangar plains, that is the old deposition that is not renewed. Further, all these river depositions, they have a very strong, you know, capacity to sustain population. Now, further, wind deposition. Now, generally, sandy deserts, the way we referred to as wind eroded plains earlier, like some things in Sahara in Africa or some things in Thar in India. Now, they have quite irregular, quite undulating surfaces. Now, this is why there are sand dunes and halos. Now, China has one of such references where such plains are formed in the deserts. Loess plain, quite important for Indian Thar desert region also. Furthermore, marine depositions generally found around coastal regions. Now, the east coast of India, the estuarine banks in Netherlands, the coast of Germany and Denmark, especially the polders. Now, polders in Denmark, they are referred as polders. Now, this is a piece of land that is reclaimed by sea or lake in general. The submerged land is surrounded by embankment there, and it's drained by pumping water into the canals there. Very typical marine deposition. The last typo that we try to categorize, valleys and basins. Valleys are low-lying lowlands between upland areas. So, as against the mountain ranges, which are highlands, valleys lie between these upland areas. Now, further, basin is where the river deposits. It's always wider. It's always wider than the valley. But valleys are quite long, they are stretched. Now, valleys can be due to tectonic forces or they can be due to erosional forces. Now, valleys that are created due to tectonic forces or tectonic valleys. Examples: Rift Valley of East Africa, Central Valley of Scotland, Middle Rhine, Faults Valley in Spain, Northwestern England. Now, synclines like those in Jura, they are all examples of tectonic forces or tectonic valleys. Now, further, erosional valleys. The best example, Grand Canyon. It's a erosional valley, and in North America. Now, in India, the consistent references of upper parts of Ganga the Brahmaputra. And when we understand the Switzerland region, the U shaped glacially eroded valleys, and Yosemite in California, US. So, all in all, landforms, the way it goes, being said, they are the symbols of energy of the earth. They are basically the results of enormous heat generated inside the earth and climate factors operating on the surface of the earth. Now, definitely, these landforms, the relief features on the surface of the earth, they have a very strong impact on the climate, direction of winds, precipitation of rainfall, and various other atmospheric processes. Now, when we context it with Indian subcontinent itself, Himalayas have an immense impact on all of these factors. Most of the landforms, they are created by disturbances, right? But most of the minerals, fossil fuels, and all of them come to the surface of the earth due to these disturbances itself, and therein life goes on.